Now one piece of tune. What you say about that?
Anything.
From Kino start work for Jaja. If it's no more a sinner, Jah provide him tea plus him lunch all him dinner. Devil is him. Kino no in a Kino. Hey, you hear me? Let's go and do it.
Definitely.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Esse é o Vardy que tem bar.
Yeah, man. Holy
Esse é o Vardy.
Bar. Say something now?
So thank you.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Very much, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is soon the boots.
Yeah.
Yeah, chef. So the bar is from Tapas in Queens. Yeah. So her name is Tapas in Queens.
Tapas in Queens, you know?
Tapas in Queens, you see me I say?
Yeah.
You hear that?
Love.
Tell him how to say big up Tapas. Huh?
Big ball of Vardy, so at least we know some future that football I'm going to play.
Yeah, man.
So Vardy has
So we
been
give him
ball
boots
now.
now, you know?
Yeah.
So we get him boots, so early thing, you know?
Yeah.
You know, I saw you think
Next 10 years from now, you know?
Start from here, so.
And that 20 boys told him about play ball next 20 years from now.
Yeah, start from here, so.
Start from boys town.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, man, you see it? Yeah, man, Jimmy for all the money.
Yeah.
Big baller.
Yeah, man.
Big baller near Mark too, you know.
My skin him come off for you, know?
So Delgado Mummy.
Yeah.
Still I go and hold it up, see me.
Yeah.
Leg alright and thing though.
Yeah, man, get some pills for you. Buy a 2 slippers and so come here one. I want a big slip.
Can buy a slippers a while ago. And you have to bring them. So nobody try to shake our leg like last time, God.
No, where are some man?
Yeah.
Is it? Arthritis and everything.
Yeah.
Swell. What them swell? Because I buy the pill them from all day. I buy a pill.
Okay.
Alright, so a more time.
So Delgado, me have $6,000.
Yeah.
I have $6,000 from Hamza.
Hamza.
From New York for your mommy.
Yeah, man.
$6,000 for you from Hamza in
Only
New
for
York.
respect in Hamza.
Yeah.
You see me? I don't know, because you see me Hamza, only for respect, man. You have to buy some medication, you know?
And you see things like
Hamza, only for respect and love again.
you see things like as I'm tell you from earlier, I said I love you, dog. Your mother help grow with you, know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that cause I love what's around you. You see my son, Miss Valerie? Yeah. I appreciate you. You have a nice son, we love him like that. Big chef, see?
Yeah. Only for respect and
Hamza.
Put the next one in there.
Vardy.
Put the next one in there, make it
Big
firm.
ball of Vardy. Yeah, so I'm going to play ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. 100, man.
Yeah, so next ball of that.
Yeah, man. Two of them play with it, man, you know?
Yeah.
See?
You have 2 ball here now.
Yeah, man. Two of them play with it, yeah.
So Vardy and Jagba.
Vardy and Jabba, so you know, you run longer run, you so and so it's Christy too.
Yeah.
Is it so the ball thing turn up.
Yeah.
You say?
Alright then.
So, yeah, man.
You see the yard there still?
Hamza.
Is that yard where we run up on down
Yeah,
here
man.
though?
From straight on the back, man.
Yeah. And it just stop there, so.
Gilbert there, you know? Can Verna there, so, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright then, so.
Yeah, man. You see?
You know the thing already in Delgado. Miss Barry, you catch up again now, yeah? If anything come through, we come check you.
Manners.
Yeah?
You remember me now, Miss Valerie?
Yeah. 100, man.
Miss I.
Yeah.
This is Miss I.
Miss Az.
Miss Az.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Foundation lady in TrenchTown.
Okay.
For years.
Nigel mother.
Oh,
Nigel auntie.
Yeah.
Nigel mother the Japo.
Okay. I remember Nigel.
Yeah.
Nigel and my name again?
Teal. Japo.
Yeah. Remember them see the resemblance now.
Yeah.
That resemblance I can't change.
Yeah.
Can't change. So never look at grocery for you as well too. Yeah, and this is Eyes Wide Open Foundation from California. You have the behalf of Dennis and his wife Genji, and also you have Danny and his wife Ayana. You know, so just them contribute because them are part of TrenchTown as well too. And then they give you a strength to give out some little groceries, you know, to the less fortunate.
Yeah.
And I don't know, people mention, say, yo, come and should come look for you and give you one. So Ali, I'm going to present you with this grocery.
Yeah.
It's heavy, you know, so.
Aye.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
So you can thank them from California, and thank Danny and Ayana.
Thank Danny and Ayana.
Yes, sir.
And also
Alright, welcome you and
Ali. Dream Team.
Dream Team.
Yeah.
And the, you say?
Eyes Wide Open Foundation.
Eyes Wide Open Foundation.
Yeah.
And thanks whosoever gave me this package.
Yeah, man.
Very thanks.
Alright, so that's Dennis and his wife.
Dennis and his wife.
Dennis and his wife.
Yeah, and Danny and Ayana.
Yes.
Yeah, so Dennis and my wife Ayana just big up on herself for this lady. Because a friend in need we talk about.
It's Danny.
Yeah. Big up yourself also. You see what I'm saying?
Danny and Ayana.
And Ayana.
Yeah,
also.
and you have
So,
Dennis.
And Dennis.
And my wife Jen.
And my wife Jen. Big up on yourself, set speed. Me on the basket will never empty because one of the elders in the building. So we look out forward to them. You see it?
Yeah.
A friend in need.
It's a friend indeed.
Big up yourself, mommy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, then, yeah, mommy?
Yeah.
Alright, then. So hopefully I will see you again soon.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then.
Yeah.
Boa, você. É boa, flash dora.
Okay, so the bone down. Yeah. Well, they're building the bone down. One, two, five.
Yeah, Mikey, the family.
Yeah.
Mama. Well done.
Mama Penny.
Mama Penny. Now I keep you for too long. Make you go and relax. Your granddaughter, you break down out there as well. Yeah, so a lot of just soup come. So I'm going to leave my bag of grocery for you. So then we'll come and assist you with it. Okay, and this grocery.
Nothing.
Yeah, they know they're got though. I'm our chef. Yeah, mama. So we have some grocery here from Eyes Wide Open Foundation from California. Yeah? So mama says go and take care of yourself, yeah? So we're not going to hold you for too long. I'll make you go and relax. Yeah? Hey, what do you got though?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Mama Penny.
It's not Kino.
Ah, just come say hello.
Marley bring something from me.
Yeah, see that. And that's how we have to bring this come gear right now.
Grocery, something we can.
Yeah.
Last week I mix and I can't for next time.
Yeah, something pink in
One slice of the brown bread, you know.
Yeah, man. So, mama, it's best of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
I'm going to take care of you, yeah?
Yeah.
And let's go and relax.
Yes, you know what I'm walking.
Yeah? Just rest this in your corner, yeah. Alright, then here, mama.
Take care.
Yeah.
You tell Mama, tell some see you, you know, yeah? You tell Mama me every time I see you.
Yeah.
Happiness, alright, yeah, wow. Nothing?
A long time I don't see you.
Yeah, my mother always be friend, never talk about mother though.
No, tell her she don't pass me now, you know.
So just go hold the faith and pray to the Almighty, yeah? Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You must keep me alive.
Alright then. Spice now always upon it.
Yeah, as we are telling them, I know ears.
Ears.
Spice the dart.
Yeah.
Not a Kino, as you know. Good life, Jamaican style. Yeah, we are going on one piece of tune. What you say about that?
Anything.
From Kino start work for Jaja. If it's no more a sinner, Jah provide him tea plus him lunch and him dinner. Devil is him. Kino no in a Kino, hey. Hey, you hear me? Let's go and do it.
Definitely.
Yeah, my pass up the fame in a Kino. You know what I say, no.
Yeah.
So it go, yeah, Kino.
You know what thing go?
We don't do it look longer, but you don't know.
Yeah.
How we do it, that's how we get stronger.
Yeah.
I work right now, me a trim and me under the ganja.
Yeah.
So little later, you hear?
Yeah, so things can live longer.
Yeah.
I hear you say a bar when I play, you know.
Kino.
Yeah. Cool, no. Barber and the bar.
No say nothing. We don't have a juggle 300 or 3,000.
Easy.
Talk to it. You the man say we do it easy. Alright? Little more.
Little more. Correct. Honest. Mama. Yeah. Body cat, mommy. Mommy. But she have to go stay because you know she can't. She don't talk. She talk.
Oh, yeah, man. She can't talk. Come talk to you, daddy.
Bring some. Yeah, because we don't really keep her because she always. We bring some grocery for you, yeah. We bring some grocery for you. We can have a little. But she sick?
She don't move up and down again.
She move up and down.
Plantation.
Yeah.
That's body cat alone.
Yeah.
Body is a problem. They have to go see. They don't come look for you.
Okay.
Yeah. That's body cat alone. And that's a child.
Yeah.
They don't come. I should have waited till there's a body cat.
Yeah, come and say body cat and tell me something and come and clear some groceries. Yeah. She how much now? How is she?
Well, she's around 90 a year.
Oh, she's 90 a year?
Yeah. My mother 80 a year. She's older than my mother.
Yeah. So she walking into me?
She can't come out for her bed now. She's strong enough.
She should go sit down.
Yeah.
She should get up.
Can I help her?
Come on, sit down, daddy.
She's firm. She's 90, I just said.
Yeah.
Firm. She named Dali.
Yeah.
Dali. Yeah. Yeah. Nice meeting you. When the first me meet her. No, probably true. I'm the younger them time there. You probably see her.
In the little them time, the same way.
Remember me?
She will remember.
Yeah. Mikey's son.
Yeah. And you just started party.
Yeah, she remember. 90-year-old.
Yeah.
Wow.
Some people are lost memories.
Yeah, and she still remember me and then could think there. Yes, mommy.
In the outdoor.
Yeah. So I'm going to try for this. Each time I get the groceries and I could think that I get groceries, I come and give her some support with the groceries and things.
Three Pampers and then something.
Three Pampers. If me never know as well. So if I get in some more Pampers, I get the Pampers then I make sure I have them as well too. I'm give us some Pampers the other day. Which will be large.
Medium.
The one that
Medium.
Oh, it's a medium. Okay.
I choose just small.
Yeah. So we're getting some Pampers there as well too. And then we could think there. So that goes here now is a little contribution from Eyes Wide Open Foundation. Yeah, from California. You know, some of the people that grew up as well in TrenchTown.
Yeah.
Yes, so them give like a contribution to growth, you know, towards the less fortunate, you know.
Respect that, you know.
So we have to give thanks to Danny and Ayana, you know, and Dennis and Jenjin. So we have to give thanks to them for that.
Yeah.
And then we definitely reach out towards the condition as well too. So if you can get some pampers for her, that'd be great.
Right.
So anytime you get anything more, then definitely come check in, yeah?
Right.
Here, Dolly?
Oh my gosh, you definitely need
Yeah.
anything all time.
So would you have a doctor like it if you could doctor them somewhere?
Well, right now, a body type, but
You might have to try as well too.
It's a Sanjin.
Yeah.
The Sanjin, she know the body type.
Okay.
But body type are into my appointment time.
Yeah.
So I even think respond right now.
Yeah.
Sometimes after I see him drink.
Okay.
Drink, I come up with rough. Man.
Yeah, rough. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so, yeah man, I understand the situation because some more time kind of frustrated and everything, so I try our best and reach out. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Respect for that, see him doing, you know.
Alright, then give thanks, yeah? You left? 18 of them.
I'm going at the back. Come!
Next to go on coach.
How much of them this?
4, 8, 4.
Eh?
8 more.
2 more. Watch out them.
What? You're bigger than this. Alright then. So come.
Genocide.
So thank you. So thank you, Sexy B.
Thank you, sexy.
Alright. Come. So, thank you, Sexy. Yeah.
Come on now.
Yeah. In time. Yeah. So thank you, Sexy. Yeah.
Thank you, sexy.
Yeah, big singer this.
Thank you, sexy B, and may God fill your basket.
So thank you, sexy.
May God fill your basket.
So thank you. Here. Here, when I come and put it. Here. So tell everybody. Yeah. Everybody, right? Yeah. What a big singer them there. What a big singer them there. Yeah, Bala. Eh? You have to go get something different. What are they?
Thank you, sexy.
Yeah. Alright, here. Here.
Thank you.
Everybody say the dream team. Yeah, the kids them. We just give him a while ago. Make it a while ago. Here.
In every on the program.
Bye, sweetie. Chips. Chips. Watch out, boy. Watch out. Yeah. Go on. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah. Yeah, say hallelujah. Hey, Chips, where are you going? See there, what? You get some different color here now.
Yeah, actually the people them always want
Oh, them want them color here now. Bright colors. Them bright and nice, see? I tell you. Oh, Mr. Take out your finger. Take out your finger. How about that with no finger? No finger. So Chips. I think as usual, with the walk through. Yeah, with the walk through. Yeah, I don't know, we have like a donation for you as well too. I will also have shoes for the young Jenna. Take out your finger. You see me? So Chips. We have a donation from Stacy from the UK. $5,000 from Stacy from the UK. Her name is Stacy from the UK.
Stacy, thanks. And my God bless you. Now if your food basket empty, because my name Stacy to you. My name Stacy and Francis. Where you have the same name.
Stacy.
Thanks to you again for this little help. Because the business take time and grow. And grow, it will grow.
Yes,
I'm not let you know, now the fault that God do know. Nah, let you know.
Yeah, I will give thanks.
Yeah, man, I give thanks for me for look for help, man. Every day I have to talk about this help, man. Yes, man.
It's a good start.
Yes, man. I just keep it real.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I keep it real, man. And everything and so.
And we also have a shoes film. We have clocks. The young Jenna. Yeah. Yeah, so this clock is from Tappers. Yeah, from Queens, New York. Her name is Tappers.
Tappers, God bless you. Never left a food basket empty. And the first this a bit me I wear a clothes. Never wear none yet. We wear shoes, but never wear this yet. And thanks to the class.
Yeah.
And God now go let us food basket empty. And we go, what's your name here? The black one?
Stacy?
No, the black one.
Which one?
Where me that talk?
A while ago?
Where me that talk to what day?
On the phone?
Yeah.
Oh, my mother?
Yeah.
Oh, Michelle?
Yeah, big up Michelle. Big you up straight. I'm a pray for you, you know. Yeah, I'm a pray for you when we go to church Sunday, man.
Yeah.
Yes,
sure.
man.
And my prayers as well too, because I know me always do my prayers.
Yeah.
You want to try, you want to see Chip, show them class. Yeah, so you don't know. Yeah. Theme size that, man. Not very nice. So Chips, so let's go on with the feet, see you, man, yeah?
So it's tough to go, man.
You go on and big up yourself. There's a class, but I'm foot big too, you know. A theme size, man. Pull out the lace. And chew him foot bread too, you know. Hey boy, no suck finger. Yeah, foot bread, man. Gone on? No gone on it. I am my boss. I'm a walk now, Chips. We see my walk now. I'm that man. Sorry, my boss. Yeah. Yeah, man. Him that man. I mean, big foot. I have a big foot boy. Foot thick. Yeah. Yeah, Chips. So Chips, so give thanks to Tappers from Queens, New York. Yeah? So only for blessings and thanks.
Yeah, man.
And Stacy from the UK for the donation.
Yeah, thanks to Stacy for the little blessing. That's why I have to give him up, you know. And it's just awesome. You know, it's awesome. I just when God I work on, you know, a miracle. Yeah, miracle in our life, God I go work on you. Yes, man, Stacy. Miracle, God I go work on you. Yeah, man. And big up Kino, yeah, Auntie Little Gingy, Marley, Carl. The rest of them are the family crew. Come here, pray for the whole of me, Yes, man, I pray for the whole of me, Yes, man. Big you up straight, man.
Bless up and big
yeah,
up
man. Yeah, man.
Same thing then. What would I?
Come on.
Oh, so
96 degree.
Oh,
you might do them, sir?
I website that 96 degrees.
Store, yeah.
For the people them can check it out. 96 degrees, they can check it out on the website. So ladies and ladies, man, kids as well too.
Yeah.
Everything. See there? Kino out with Jamaica. So people can check it out. 96 degrees. Straight.
Straight.
Straight.